time to unbox the Insta360 One RS. This arrived today after a few days of delay, but all is good. Now, mine came with a 64GB micro SD card. Now, let's remove this. Okay. Now, ever since getting my first ever Insta360 camera, the Insta360 Nano for iPhones, followed by the Insta360 One, the One X, One R, and the One X2, I've been really eagerly awaiting for a 1-inch 360 camera sensor. And now it's here. Yay! So let's open it up. Alright. Ooh, nice. It's a little bit big compared to the One X2. Wow, okay, this is actually huge. And, okay, pretty heavy. But I think that's the compromise for getting a 1-inch 360 camera sensor. Okay. Now, of course, it comes assembled. You have the 1-inch 360 lens. Okay. The RS core, which is this one. The vertical battery. And the bracket, mounting bracket, which is this one. Nice. But again, it's a bit it's a bit heavy. Okay, let's just set this aside. Let's look what's in here. Okay, let me open this one here. All right, let's look what's in here. Oh, it's this side. Okay, you have the USB-C charge cable. Okay. Okay, the lens cap, and what else? You also have a lens cloth. Okay, some documentation, and the usual sticker. Great. So that's a quick unboxing of the new Insta360 One RS. Next up, field test. Hopefully soon. Bye.